Good morning children. Today I am going to explain how to balance a chemical equation by oxidation number method. Oxidation number method. Oxidation number method. So here I'll take one example. I will explain how to balance this chemical equation by oxidation number method. Right? This is the statement they have given children. Chloride ions. Chloride ion means Cl1 minus. I can write Cl1 minus like this, Cl minus. When chloride ions reacts with manganese dioxide, chloride ion reduces manganese dioxide. Okay. They give manganese plus 2 ion and itself oxidized to chlorine. Statement they have given, that statement I have to write in the form of skeleton equation. This is called as a skeleton equation. What is the statement? Chloride ions reduces manganese dioxide to manganese plus 2 ions and itself oxidized to chloride ion, chlorine molecule. So based on the statement I have written the equation, skeleton equation. Now I have to balance this equation by oxidation number method. So whenever like this equations are given, when statements are given, first we have to write the skeleton equation and then we have to find out the oxidation state. Here manganese oxidation state in MnO2, manganese oxidation state plus 4. Here chlorine oxidation state is 0. In Cl2 molecule, each chlorine oxidation state is 0. And see here what happened. In chlorine minus 1 to chlorine 0. Here minus 1, chlorine oxidation state minus 1 to 0. Oxidation number increased. Oxidation number increased by 1. Minus 1 to 0. Each chlorine. Now I am taking one chlorine atom. One chlorine atom, the oxidation number is increased by 1. Okay. As Cls are not balanced, what I will do? I will add 2 Cl minus. Okay. So that this side also Cl2, this side also Cl2. And now if I wanted to say oxidation number is increased by 1 for each chlorine ion, for 2 chlorine ions it is increased by 2. The oxidation number is increased by 2. And what about manganese? Manganese plus 4 to manganese plus 2. Oxidation number plus 4 to plus 2 decreased. Oxidation number decreased. Oxidation number is decreased by 2. Oxidation number is decreased by 2. Oxidation number is increased by 2. After writing 2 Cl minus, oxidation number increased by 2. Now increase in oxidation number and decrease in oxidation number is balanced. If it is not balanced, we have to balance it. Here after writing 2 Cl minus, increase in oxidation state by 2 and decrease in oxidation state by 2. Now the increase in oxidation state and decrease in oxidation state are balanced. Now when increase in oxidation state and decrease in oxidation states are balanced, I have to check the remaining elements other than hydrogen and oxygen. The remaining elements should be balanced. Next step. So Cl, 2 Cls, Cl2, 1 Mn, 2 oxygen. Now next step. The remaining elements are balanced other than hydrogen and oxygen. Now I am going to balance the oxygen atoms. So while balancing oxygen atoms, this side oxygens are less. So whenever oxygens I wanted to add, I will add water molecule. In water molecule oxygen atoms are there. 2 oxygen this side more, this side 2 oxygens are less. So I will add 2H2O to balance oxygen atoms. Suppose now now oxygen atoms are balanced. Now hydrogens should be balanced. So to balance the hydrogens, this side I have to write 4H plus. To balance the hydrogen atoms, here 2H2, 4 hydrogens this side more, this side 4 hydrogens are less. So I will add 4H plus. So now the hydrogens balanced, oxygens balanced. Now final equation I am writing, you check 2Cl 1 minus plus MnO2 plus 4H plus gives Mn plus 2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. This is the equation. I balanced it, right? So whenever you are balancing, once again after balancing also, once again you need to check whether balanced or not. Cl, 2 Cls, 1 Mn, 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen atoms, even charge also balanced. Each chlorine minus 1, 2 are there, so minus 2. Here chlorine charge is minus 2. Each hydrogen plus 1, 4 hydrogens plus 4, minus 2 plus 4 plus 2. This side also charge plus 2, this side also charge plus 2. So the charge also balanced. Now everything is balanced. This is the way to balance the chemical equation. I hope you understood the concept. Yes, thank you. Yeah, good morning children. One more equation I am going to explain how to balance the equation by oxidation number method. Here I am taking, this is the statement, nitrate ions. Nitrate ions means NO3 1 minus. Nitrate ions, when they said nitrate ion, NO3 minus is the symbol for nitrate ion. When nitrate ions in acidic medium oxidize magnesium, magnesium means Mg, oxidize magnesium to Mg plus 2 and itself reduced to N2O, nitrous oxide. This is the statement they have given. Nitrate ion oxidizes magnesium to Mg plus 2 ions and itself reduced to N2O. This is the equation statement, nitrous oxide they have given. Okay, this is the statement I have written in the skeleton equation. This equation I must balance through oxidation number method. Now I will find out the where is the increase in oxidation number, where is the decrease in oxidation number. I'll be checking. In NO3 minus nitrogen oxidation state, NO3 minus, I will find out the nitrogen oxidation state. So nitrogen oxidation state X plus each oxygen minus 2 into 3 minus 6, X minus 6 equal to minus 1, X equal to minus 1 plus 6. Okay, that is plus 5. Here nitrogen oxidation state is plus 5. Already you know this. So how to balance how to identify the oxidation number? So nitrogen oxidation state is plus 2, plus 5. Here in N2O nitrogen oxidation, each nitrogen oxidation state is plus 1. Nitrogen oxidation state is plus 1. Why? Because each nitrogen oxidation state I will think X, 2x plus minus 2, 2x plus minus 2 equal to 0, 2x equal to plus 2, x equal to plus 1. Nitrogen oxidation state plus 1. Now you find out where oxidation number is increased. You see here, magnesium 0,2 plus 2. Magnesium 0,2 plus 2 oxidation number is increased. In NO3, nitrogen plus 5 to plus 1 oxidation number decreased. So here nitrogen plus 5 to nitrogen plus 1 oxidation number decreased. Oxidation number decreased by 4. The difference is 4. Plus 5 to plus 1 means plus 5 minus 1, 4. So oxidation number is decreased by 4. Here oxidation number is increased by, oxidation number increased by 2. Right? Mg02 plus 2 means oxidation number is increased by 2. Here oxidation number is decreased by 4. Right? Now here one nitrogen, one NO3 here. Now to balance nitrate ions, I will write 2 here. Okay, 2 NO3. 2 NO3 minus okay, plus Mg02 Mg plus 2 plus N2O. You see, oxidation number is decreased by 4 for one nitrogen atom. This is for one nitrogen atom. I wanted to make the nitrogen atoms balanced. So 2 NO3 minus I wrote. So that 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. So here increase in oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number is decreased by 4 for per nitrogen atom. So total 2 nitrogens, no? So 2 into 4, 8. So oxidation number is decreased. Total oxidation number decreased is 8. Just you remember this. Total decrease in oxidation number is 8 for both 2 nitrogen atoms. And here Mg02 Mg plus 2. For one magnesium, it is plus 2. Oxidation number is increased by 2. So oxidation number, total oxidation number decreased is 8 and oxidation number is increased by 2 for magnesium. So it should be balanced. So here I will multiply with 4. So that 4 into 2, 8. Okay. So here oxidation number is increased by 2. Oxidation number is decreased by 8. No. So if I multiply 4, it will be 8. So the total oxidation number is increased and decreased should be balanced. So now I will multiply the magnesium by 4. 4 Mg0 to 4 Mg plus 2. And then you see here the increase in oxidation number is increased by total 8 and decrease in oxidation number is decreased by 8. So the increase in oxidation number and decrease in oxidation number is balanced. Now next step, other than hydrogen and oxygen atoms, the remaining atoms should be balanced. 2 nitrogens, N2 balanced. 4 Mg balanced, right? And what about oxygen atoms? Now I have to balance the oxygen atoms. 2 3s are 6 oxygens. Here 6 oxygen atoms. Here only 1 oxygen atom. So which side oxygens are less, that side I will add water molecules. So how many water molecules I am adding? 5. So that 5 oxygens. 5O plus O, 6 O's. Here 2 into O3. 2 3s are 6. So 6 oxygen atoms. Now oxygens are balanced. Okay. Next, here hydrogens are extra this side. 5H2. This side no hydrogen. So I will add 10H plus. See, the total equation is balanced. I will write the complete equation. 2NO3 minus plus 4Mg plus 10H plus gives 4Mg plus 2 plus N2O plus 5H2. This is the equation. This is the balanced chemical equation. Now let us check whether it is completely balanced or not. 2 nitrogens, N2. 6 oxygen atoms. 5 oxygens here, 1 oxygen here. Total 6 oxygen atoms balanced. 4Mg balanced. 10H, hydrogens are balanced. Total charge also I am checking. Each NO3 minus 1 symbol. Okay, NO3 minus 1. 2 NO3 means minus 2. This side minus 2 plus. This side each hydrogen plus 1 means 10 hydrogens means plus 10. Minus 2 plus 10 means plus 8. This side total charge plus 8. Sorry. Each magnesium oxidation state is plus 2. 4 into plus 2 plus 8. So this side also total charge plus 8. So this is also balanced. Right? This is the way to balance the chemical equation by oxidation number method. Once again I am reminding, first we have to write the skeleton equation and then where oxidation number is increased, where oxidation number decreased, we have to identify, and then increase in oxidation number and decrease in oxidation number should be balanced. After that, the other than hydrogen and oxygen atoms should be balanced. In that case, wherever oxygens are less, that side we add H2O molecules, and wherever hydrogens are less, that side we add H plus ions to balance hydrogen atoms. Ultimately, Finally, you will be getting one equation. Once after getting the equation, once again you have to recheck whether the equation is balanced or not. Such type of problems, questions will be asked in the examination. If this question they asked, they will ask for 2 marks or 3 marks. Yes, children, yeah, one more equation. I'm going to explain one more equation, how to balance the chemical equation by oxidation number method. What is the statement given? Zinc reacts with zinc. Zinc means the symbol Zn. I'm going to write skeleton equation. Zinc reacts with concentrated nitric acid. Nitric acid formula HNO3. Okay, zinc react with nitric acid to produce zinc nitrate. Zinc nitrate symbol ZnNO3 taken twice. Zinc nitrate and nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide formula NO2 and water H2O. This is the statement they have given. When zinc react with concentrated nitric acid, forms zinc nitrate and nitrogen dioxide and water. This in the form of statement they have given, children. I have written skeleton equation. First step we have to write the skeleton equation, and then as this equation is balanced according to the oxidation number method. First I will find out the oxidation numbers. Okay. Zinc oxidation state is here 0. Here zinc nitrate, zinc oxidation state is +2. Okay. In HNO3, hydrogen +1, nitrogen X, oxygen -2 into 3 -6. +1 plus X -6. Means X minus 5 equal to 0, X equal to +5. So nitrogen oxidation state is +5 here. Here also nitrogen, here also NO3. So nitrogen oxidation state is +5. And here in NO2, nitrogen oxidation state is +4. Now where the oxidation number is increased, decreased? Sir, I want to know the remaining oxidation states also, means I will write hydrogen oxidation state +1. Here also each oxygen oxidation state is -2. Here also each oxygen oxidation state is -2. Here also each oxygen oxidation state is -2. Here hydrogen oxidation state is +1 and oxygen oxidation state is -2. Individually also I have written. But where the final change is there, exact what I have to know, that I will write once. Zn02. Okay. Zn, zinc oxidation state 0 Zn +2. This I have to consider. The remaining is not changed. Okay. See here. Nitrogen oxidation state is +5. Here nitrogen oxidation state is +4. Now where the oxidation number is increased, you see. Zinc 0 Zn +2. This is the increase in oxidation number. Oxidation number increased. Oxidation number is increased by 2. Here also one zinc, here also one zinc. So increase in oxidation number by 2. Okay. And nitrogen case we'll see. Here also. Nitrogen oxidation state +5 to nitrogen oxidation state. Nitrogen oxidation state +5 to +4. So +5 to +4 means oxidation number decreased by 1. Decreased by 1. See, oxidation number is increased by 2 in zinc case, and nitrogen case oxidation number decreased by 1. Nitrogen case oxidation number decreased by 1. Here in nitrogen case, here also nitrogen +5, here also nitrogen +5, but this is, I am not considering this, as here nitric acid act as oxidizing agent and nitric acid also act as acid here. So here in this problem we will write the ionic form. Okay. Now I will write in the ionic form. Same equation. Zn plus H plus NO3 minus, here I will write NO3 minus gives Zn plus 2 plus NO2 plus 4 plus H2O. So here once again I will be showing 0 to plus 2 oxidation number is increased by 2, and in nitrogen oxidation state is plus 5, nitrogen plus 5 to nitrogen plus 4. Oxidation number is decreased by 1 here. So to balance, increase in oxidation number and decrease in oxidation number should be balanced. For that what I will do, here this nitrate ion plus 5 to plus 4, oxidation number is decreased by 1. Oxidation number decreased by 1. Here Zn 0 to Zn plus 2, oxidation number increased by 2. So to balance it, I will multiply this NO3 by 2. Okay, I am multiplying this equation, you see. Zn plus H plus NO3. I am multiplying with 2, no? So 2 NO3 minus gives Zn plus 2 plus 2 NO2 plus H2O. Now you see here 1 Zn balanced, 2 nitrogen balanced. Now what I am going to do, the remaining elements I should balance. Other than hydrogen and oxygen, the remaining atoms or elements are balanced. Now I am going to balance the oxygen atoms. See here 2 into 2 4, here 5. This side how many oxygens? Total 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 5 oxygen atoms that side. 2 3s are 6 oxygen atoms this side. So one oxygen is less. So one more H2O I will add. I am adding one more H2O. So already one H2O is there. One more H2O if I add, I will write 2 H2O. Already one H2O is there. I am adding one more H2O. So that 2 oxygens plus 4, total 6 oxygen atoms. To balance 6 oxygen atoms, I wrote one more. I added one more H2O. Right? And then now this side hydrogens, 4 hydrogens. This side only 1 H plus. So how many hydrogens I have to add? 3 hydrogens, 3 H plus. Already 1 H plus is there. If I add 3 H plus, total 4 H plus. Now see the equation, the total equation is balanced. We'll write the final equation.